kindergarten teachers. In this video, I want to tell you about letter sound A.
So, this is a story of letter sound A. A family are going on a picnic. The children help to pick some apples, sandwich, and a blackberry pie. At the picnic, the children feel something tickling them. Some ants are crawling up their arms. They jump up and shouting, "Ah, ah, ah, ah!"
Now, let's redo the action of letter sound A. Okay, you put your hands like this and and Let's redo it together. 1, 2, 3. Great job.
A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for arrow.
This is the song of letter sound A. Are you ready, guys?